Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Coursera affiliate portal authentication, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the authentication process with the Coursera affiliate portal, visit the Coursera affiliate website. Once on the site, look for the login option typically placed at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the login button to proceed to the authentication page. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid login errors. Click the login button to access your affiliate portal dashboard. If you do not have an account yet, locate the option to create a new account. Fill in the required fields, including your name, email address, and desired password. Ensure that you read and agree to the terms and conditions before proceeding. After completing the registration form, click on the Sign Up button. You may receive a verification email to confirm your registration. Check your email inbox for the verification message from Coursera. Click the verification link provided in the email to activate your account. Return to the Coursera affiliate portal login page after verifying your email. Enter your email address and password once again to access your account. If you encounter any login issues, utilize the password recovery option. Follow the prompt to reset your password if needed. After successfully logging in, navigate to your account settings. Here, you can update your profile details and review your affiliate information. Explore the available resources and tools to maximize your affiliate marketing efforts. Familiarize yourself with the reporting and analytics features to track your performance. If you have further questions, consult the Help Center for additional support options. This completes the authentication process for the Coursera affiliate portal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.